everyone, and welcome to another video. So today we have one of the most exciting packages I could ever receive. Don't mind my two different hands of nails. There is a video for this set, so if you would like to see that video, please go check it out. I will have it linked down below if I post it before this video. So today we have one of the most exciting packages I could ever get. This is from, as you can see, Young Nails. As you guys can see, this is the Young Nails. I cannot express how excited I am to try this. So we're gonna open this up. This is from my amazing fairy godmother, Miss Denise. She's always surprising me with something, and I could not be more thankful to be receiving these packages. What she has been doing for me is just something I could never ask for or imagine. So I just want to thank her so much for getting me this, and you guys will understand my excitement in a second. So I have had the pleasure to try Young Nails, their Speed Clear, their Cover Rosebud, and their Cover Peach, and those are what I've tried from Young Nails, and I have always, those are like one of my favorite acrylics. They're so smooth and buttery, and they are absolutely amazing. I honestly love Young Nails from what I've tried, but I've only tried those 3 powders, so I haven't tried much else. But all I have tried was those 3 powders, and I haven't tried anything else. You guys know everybody goes crazy over the protein bond, so I've been wanting to try that. You guys will not believe what she bought me. I still can't believe what she bought me. So as you guys can see, she brought me the Pro Acrylic Kit. This is the ultimate kit. So I cannot express how excited I am, and how shocked I am, and how happy I am. I'm very happy. So I just want to thank Miss Denise for this. Once again, before I open it, here is the box, guys. I have you guys really up high. You can't tell, but this box is huge. So you guys are really high up. So these are all the items that come in the kit. So let's get to unboxing. I can't believe that I have this. Y'all, I've been wanting to try the protein bar for the longest time. That's what I'm so excited about. But everything else is so exciting. Okay. So here is what we have. Look at how everything's so nicely packaged. Okay, where do I start? It's so much stuff. So I'm gonna put the box to the side, and I'm just going to pull out of the box so we can see everything. So these are their 240, 180, and 100 grit. Actually, I'm not sure what's in the middle, but there's 180 and 240, and oh my goodness, look at these. I have heard and seen so many good things about these files, so I'm very happy. These are very nice file and buffer, so I'm excited to use that because I recently just got my first buffer that is not in like a rectangular cube. Here, let's show you guys this one, and I really like how it's shaped instead of like a rectangular one. So these I know for sure I'm going to love. So next we have their nail liquid, which is their monomer. Of course, this is 6 fluid ounces, so this is a lot. This will last you a very long time. And there's not only one, but there are 2 of them. I cannot believe I'm holding these products in my hand. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like surreal that I have these. It hasn't kicked in yet, but these are their nail liquids. I really like their packaging. It's simple, it's cute. Let's see. They have everything really secured. And yeah, there is the monomer. There we go. So, oh my gosh, this is exciting. So next we have their nail forms. You guys know what I love to do is sculpt, so this is so exciting. I can't wait to try these out. I'm definitely gonna try these out in a video with some Young Nail products, so stay tuned for that, because I will be using these forms to try them out, because I've always wondered how they work since I see them a lot. So this is amazing. Next we have these pack of natural tips. So this is a 50 pack, and there's also a clear pack of tips. So they give you some tips. That's awesome. I definitely think this kit is worth it. Definitely. So next we have the rose oil. So this is a cuticle oil, and it comes with, oh, that's great. It comes with a dropper, and it comes with, whoa, this is a huge bottle of cuticle oil. So this is rose oil, and it is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. This is huge. I actually don't ever use the tops. I usually use the droppers, so I'm just gonna immediately put that on there. I just want to try it out just because. Oh my gosh, I feel like, ooh, that smells nice. That smells really, really nice. It smells very natural, very, very rose-like. I really, really like this. This is crazy. I feel like expensive. I feel a little bougie. I feel a lot of things right now. Like, this is crazy that I actually have these products. And all thanks to Miss Denise. Honestly, I would not have any of this at all if it weren't for you. So this bottle is just satisfying. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love that it's clear and it's sleek, and I love it. So next we have this Young Nails Swipe, which I've also been dying to try. This is awesome. Put this on before you put on the, oh, that's a cool box. Before you put on the protein bond. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to scream, but I try to contain my happiness for you guys, because I know I say oh my gosh a lot and scream a lot, but this is like, this feels nice. I like how it's like matte packaging. Feels very nice. But oh my goodness. Again, I don't really use these tops, so I'm going to save them in case I ever need them. But we're going to put this inside of here, and then you see that you press it down and the stuff comes up. That's awesome. This is a huge bottle. Like, their stuff comes in large quantities. So that's awesome. I've always wanted to try the Swipe. This is just crazy. I'm so excited. Okay, so next we have this cute little box. So next we have this cute little box. And this cute little box has their brush, and I believe it's a number 8 size. Yeah, so I'm going to be trying this out as well. I'd probably use this more for like detailing items, because I really use like a size 12ish, 14ish, so this is really cool. I think it's going to be perfect for some detailed nail art, or even people that have smaller nail beds, or I need to get close to the cuticle area, anything like that, this will definitely be used for. So I'm so happy. This is a very nice brush. It's always so nice getting a new brush, y'all. So here we have a manicure brush, which also looks very, very nice to scrub off anything that you might need to wash off. And then we have this dropper, and yeah, this is for the monomer when you put drops into your dapping dish. And this says, "Don't forget to open me." So cute. I love this ombre packaging. So on the inside, ooh, these are exciting. Okay, so in here, let's take out, this is the brush on glue. Awesome, because I'm always running out of glue. Here is a fresh and new dapping dish. Awesome. Thank you so much. This is great. Awesome new dapping dish. Here is Ultimate Finish Gel, so I'm guessing this is a top coat. Ooh, I like that the brush is clear. Their packaging is really, really nice, like sturdy. And yes, the thing that I have been wanting for so long, the Young Nails Protein Bond. I cannot express how bad I've wanted this for a very long time. It definitely has a different smell that I've never smelled before. This scent is different from any other pepper prime I've ever had. So this primer is just, I can't wait to use it. That's all I have to say. So next we have these Slick Pores. Oh my gosh. So guys, I'm just going to let you know now that I am going to be swatching these. And finally, last but not least, before I say anything else, I got these. How exciting is this? Okay, so we have Young Nails powders, and here are the different powders that you get in the Ultimate Kit. This one comes with the Speed White. It comes with a Speed Clear, a Cover Blush, and a Cover Pink. So I already have a cover from Young Nails. The colors that I have are a Cover Peach and a Cover Rosebud. So I do not have any of these colors. I do have their clear, but we don't need to swatch the clear one anyways. I'm going to go swatch these for you guys, and then I will be right back to show you the swatches. And I'm gonna swatch all of these, so just stay tuned. I'll be right back so I can show you guys the swatches in the next clip. Y'all, so I'm outside swatching the colors. I opened this acrylic called Flash and Burn, the Slick Pour, and I just had to show you guys, like, oh my gosh, I just spilled a teensy bit. I'm so sorry, but look at that. I couldn't like not show you guys how insane that looks. It's so pretty. Look at it on my finger. You guys see how beautiful that is? I'm so excited about this one. I just had to show you guys because the second I opened it, I was like, wow. It looks without the flash. So this is what I'm seeing, guys. It doesn't even need flash for it to be so gorgeous, and oh, I can't wait to show you guys this swatch. Alright, you guys, so I have just returned from swatching all of the acrylics, and I can tell you that these are like some of the most beautiful acrylics that I have ever seen. So I'm going to show you all the colors that come with the kit. So it comes with a clear acrylic, a speed clear, but you know, you guys know what clear looks like. So here are the gorgeous, I want you guys to really see this one, how pretty it is. But here are all the gorgeous colors. These are so stunning. I can't pick a favorite. This just might be like my favorite nude color right here. Like this just might be my favorite out of all the nudes I have. It's just so pretty. I don't know if it's because it's pink, and I love pink, but these are just, I think this is so gorgeous. Like it's ridiculous how crazy gorgeous these things are. I just want you guys to take a great look, like how gorgeous. That's how the back looks, if you were wondering. So these are all of the colors. I am more than happy with all of these. I'm ecstatic with how these are. I really can't tell you guys how happy I am about this. This package was amazing. I'm gonna show you guys my other Young Nail one, and I'm gonna show you. So the other colors that I have from Young Nails are right here. So I already have their Rosebud and Peach. Like I said, these are the only two colors I have besides a clear. And look at these. They're very pretty, but I feel like this one fits my skin tone a lot better to me. It just fits really, really nicely. So I'm just very excited. It might look a little bit different on camera than what it actually looks like. It's kind of hard because I have a pink background, so it kind of clashes with the colors, but these look really, really nice. And I'm very, very, very excited about this color, but I'm very excited about all of these. I really cannot tell you how much I am adoring these right now. So yeah, guys, this was the most amazing kit I've ever had. I'm gonna spread out all of the products so you guys can see everything that came in the kit once again. Okay guys, so this is everything that came into the kit. Like I said, I'm very extremely impressed with everything. These are the swatches like I just showed you guys. I'm just blown away by how gorgeous everything is. But I just wanted to say thank you to Miss Denise. Like, this kit, guys, if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you buy this. This comes with everything you could possibly need for nails. I don't think you could need anything else that doesn't come into this kit besides like a cuticle pusher or something, you know. Like, this kit has everything. I'm obsessed with their packaging. Like, look at how nice and good quality this stuff is. I'm just blown away by everything. I will be making a video using just these products because wow. So I just want to thank Miss Denise so much for all of this. I honestly is bringing tears to my eyes. Having all of this, I just don't know what to say. So I hope I'm making sense. Thank you, Miss Denise, for being the best. This is just one of the greatest things I could have ever been given, and this is an amazing kit. I just want to thank all of you for sticking by and watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys stuck around for the end of the video. If you stuck around, thank you. You're a real one. I will be making a video with just these products, so if you are looking forward to seeing the video, please make sure you stay tuned, hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video that says trying the Young Nails products. Yeah, I'm speechless, guys. Everything here is just amazing. So again, thank you to Miss Denise, and thank you so much to all of you for supporting me. I wouldn't be here without you guys. So thank you all so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time. Bye.